Hello class, this lesson is special for class 5 elementary school unit 3. I play soccer once a week. Our material today are names of sports, expression of asking and giving opinion,
Soccer. Soccer. Volleyball. Volleyball. Badminton. Badminton. Karate. Karate. Running. Running. Archery. Archery. Basketball. Basketball. Golf. Golf. Rafting. Rafting. Surfing. Surfing. Swimming. Swimming. Cycling. Cycling.
Baiklah anak-anak sekalian, materi kita yang kedua adalah expression of asking and giving opinion, meminta pendapat ataupun memberikan pendapat. Pendapat di dalam bahasa Inggris adalah opinion atau bisa juga disebut opini di dalam bahasa Indonesia. Berikut adalah beberapa ekspresi jika kita ingin memberikan opini. What do you think about? Do you think? Do you have any idea? What's your opinion about? How do you think about? Do you agree? Itu adalah beberapa ekspresi jika kita ingin memberikan pendapat. Kemudian ada juga respon yang harus kita tunjukkan kepada seseorang yang meminta pendapat kita. Yang namanya pendapat pasti ada yang setuju dan tidak setuju. Dalam bahasa Inggris adalah agreeing and disagreeing with an opinion. Expression of agreeing with an opinion occurs, "This is absolutely right. I agree with this opinion. I couldn't agree more. I agree. I never thought of that. That is a good point. I think so." Kemudian ekspresi disagreeing with an opinion atau tidak setuju dengan sebuah opini, kita bisa menyatakan dengan I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. I'm not sure I agree with you. I don't agree with you. I don't believe that. I disagree with you. I think you are wrong. I don't think so. Nah, kemudian ini ada contoh asking and giving opinion. What do you think about basketball match this morning? Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang pertandingan bola basket pagi ini? Jika kita setuju, kita bisa mengatakan, I think the match was very interesting. Menurut saya, pertandingan sangat menyenangkan. Jika kita tidak setuju, kita bisa menjawab dengan, I think basketball match this morning was very boring. Menurut saya, pertandingan hari ini sangat membosankan. Contoh yang berikutnya, do you think we should play soccer this morning or tomorrow afternoon? Menurut pendapatmu, kita bermain sepak bola pagi ini atau besok sore? Jika kita setuju, kita bisa menjawab, in my opinion, we should play soccer tomorrow afternoon. Menurut pendapat saya, kita bermain sepak bola besok sore saja. Dan jika kita tidak setuju, kita bisa mengatakan, I'm sorry I don't agree with you because it's rainy season now. Maaf, saya tidak setuju denganmu karena sekarang lagi musim hujan. Do you have any idea when should we practice badminton? Apakah kamu memiliki ide kapan kita latihan badminton? Jika kita setuju, kita bisa menjawab dengan what about tomorrow afternoon? Bagaimana kalau besok saja? Dan untuk pernyataan tidak setujunya, kita bisa mengatakan I think you are wrong. We shouldn't practice badminton because we are having tests in this week. Menurut saya, kamu salah. Kita jangan berlatih badminton karena dalam minggu ini kita sedang menghadapi tes. What is your opinion about skateboarding? Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang skateboard? Jika kita setuju, kita bisa menjawab I think skateboard is very fun. Saya pikir, menurut saya, skateboard itu sangat menyenangkan. Dan jika kita tidak setuju, kita bisa menjawab I think playing skateboard is very dangerous. Menurut saya, bermain skateboard itu sangat berbahaya. I think the soccer match just now is not exciting. Do you agree? Menurut saya, pertandingan sepak bola sekarang tidak seru. Apakah kamu setuju? Jika kita setuju, kita bisa menjawab sure, I don't like soccer. Tentu saja, saya tidak suka sepak bola. Jika kita tidak setuju, kita bisa menjawab dengan no, I don't think so. I think it was exciting match. Maaf, saya tidak setuju denganmu atau tidak sependapat dengan kamu. Menurut saya, pertandingan itu sangat menyenangkan. Contoh yang terakhir, I think F1 race is the most exciting sport competition to watch. Do you agree with me? Jika kita setuju, kita bisa menjawab dengan of course, I like it. Tentu saja, saya suka itu. Dan jika kita tidak setuju, kita bisa menjawab dengan no, I don't think so. I think it was very boring.
Russell, what do you think about the Southeast Asian Games final football match between Indonesian versus Vietnam?
I think it was a very exciting match. What about you?
It was exciting, but unfortunately, we lost to Vietnam.
Yeah, you're right. I believe that we can win against Vietnam.
Fika, we will have our final badminton match. What do you think about our play?
I don't know. I think we should practice more often.
I agree with you. What do you think of practicing their time a week?
I disagree. I think we should train 4 times a week.
Okay, from now until the match, we will practice 4 times a week. I think playing basketball is boring. What do you think, Allie?
I disagree with you. I think basketball is a very exciting sport to play.
In my opinion, playing basketball is very difficult.
You're actually right. But overall, there is nothing impossible if you try hard.
Why do you have to go jogging before we play badminton? It's endless. What do you think, Ratna?
I don't agree with you. Fatima, do jogging before we play badminton is very good for stretching.
It's very tiring.
I don't think so. Jogging makes our muscles stretch, so we can avoid injury while playing badminton.
I really hate exercise. I think exercise only makes me tired. What do you think, Wahyu?
I disagree with you, Roni. In my opinion, exercise is very important to keep our body healthy.
Okay, but doing exercise make me sweaty, and I hate sweat.
You're right. doing exercise will make us sweaty, but that makes us healthy.